Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So we are back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this look that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring Julia Hair. Big shout out to Julia Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have a Kinky Straight, shout out to the Kinky Straight, texture 13x4 lace frontal wig. This unit is 24 inches long. I would say that it looks as about 24, maybe 26. So I love that. We have an average cap size. All the details will be down in the description box as far as the construction, the price, and all of that. Also, if I have a discount code, be sure to check the comment section. I always put the discount code in the comments, so definitely check that out. Now, let's get into this hair. This hair is very soft. I did bleach the knots on this hair, and the knots lifted very well. The knots towards the front of this frontal are super fine, and I love that because the knots make a big difference when it comes to customization and how natural your wig looks. So I love that there are fine small knots within this frontal. So I did tweeze this hair. I did quite a bit of tweezing, so keep that in mind. It is pre-plucked, but depending on preference, you may want to go in and tweeze some more. As I stated, this hair looks pretty long. It falls pretty long on me. I love long hair, but they do have a variety of lengths that you can choose from. So if you're someone that likes more of a shorter look or an even longer look, definitely check the website for those options. So for this style today, I did show you how the hair looks straightened because this is a different, I've noticed that Kinky Straight varies. There's like, this is more of a softer Kinky Straight, so it is very easy to work with. I do have a Kinky Straight playlist, so if you want to see all the different looks that I have done as far as this texture, definitely check the playlist, which will be down below, and it will also be at the end of this video. But so far, I do like this unit. I have not worked with Julia Hair in like 5 years, I want to say, maybe 4. So it's been a long time, but this is definitely a nice refresher, you know, nice refresher introduction to the company once again. So as I stated, all the links will be down in the description box. I do want to thank Julia Hair for sponsoring today's video. I also want to thank you beauties for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
nights I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah. This whole thing got way too deep and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. Be doing all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married, we should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you.